Junkin' fool over here. Picked up some more stuff, projects. So we got an old flathead 6-cylinder Ford motor. Not sure what year it is. Got the generator on it. Looks like the only thing it's missing is the cap and wires. And that's the Ford, and the starter is over here. Carburetor, some kind of pipe exhaust, fuel pump. It rolls over and everything. Yeah, I rolled it over earlier. But yes, it rolls over. A little tricky loading and unloading. So I finagled this up temporarily to get a few jobs done. That big old gas tank on there. I just unloaded it. So it runs pretty decent. Needs the exhaust work done on it, but that's another project. I'm try to make room up here and bring that motor way up there, and I got a little bit of cement up there. Yeah, junkin' fool over here in Porterville. So I'm looking for an old Ford transmission, possibly. It's got the round bell housing on it, or the round transmission. Imagine it had 4 or 5 or 3-speed or something in it. So I started working on this. Got a few things a little bit done to it. Got the turbo off it. Exhaust and starter pulled off, and then I don't think that starter actually had to come off, but still not sure. I got a manual to it and it said disconnect the starter wires, but still trying to figure out where the bolts are at. So greasy. I know there's a couple here, and they say you got to lift it up 6 inches to get to the back ones. So I'll have to figure that out. But so I've been plugging away at that, and I got this sitting out here so the rain won't get in it, hopefully. Looked like the turbo and everything was good on there. Actually, I think that might have been replaced not too long ago. So today's pickup was that flathead Ford motor. I bought this stuff. Two trips. Drug that motor up there to come along in ramps, and pry bar is wedged in there. Got this toolbox. I haven't even been through this. I mean, I kind of looked through it a little bit. Yeah, so who knows? Some spark plugs. And anybody need any dental work? Look like somebody might have used that one. Paint, I guess. Done that before. Probably knock that out and use that socket. Deep well impact socket. Not sure what all's in here. It's already in that one. Check the gap on the plugs. Some taps. Some kind of fuel filter. More taps, I think it is. Some lenses for welding mask. Miscellaneous sockets. It's metric over there, 17 millimeter. part of a wrench. It beats cutting your own tools off if you got to cut a wrench in half for a project. Looky there. Craftsman distributor wrench. Them distributors you can't reach in the back. Couple wrenches there. More wrenches. I've been going to buy some of these. I've had them before, but got broke or lost, and them are real handy. Oh, all kinds of nuts there. Line tools, some of them. Nice Phillips. That must be for some heavy duty threading. Oh, that one ain't gonna open. Had to pull that door up earlier. There's some stuff jabbing in there. Just miscellaneous sockets. There's some brass. I've got deep well sockets, but they're so rusty I can't see the size of most of them. Swivel. That's a snap-on 1/2 inch. That's probably for a starter drive for a tractor. Kind of looks like the old bright and dim switch. Yeah, I wrestled this over here. Little grinder there. It looks like a pretty decent one. More taps. And I think that's actually a compression gauge. I'm not sure. I just bought a new one of them. Set your dwell and whatever on it. I'm not sure if there's anything in the bottom of here or not. Anything in there? Don't look like much. Yeah, we've picked up from this place a few times. Yeah, every now and then they call us and want to get rid of some more stuff, and so I bought it. Got that big old puller somebody made up, and it looks to me like you'd pull brake drums or off the back of cars or the old cars. It's heavy. It's got the different pinholes for different adjustments. That was out there. And the AC/DC welder. These usually go AC/DC for $250. The knob is actually missing on there, but I think I actually got one of them. If not, I could probably get one from the welding store. But that's a nice welder. I paid $250 for this stuff, and I'm pretty sure I'll get most of my money back out of this welder. Actually, I paid $260. I gave him another $10 for this thing. So yeah, that right there I didn't need, but I've had a couple people asking me about welders, and I got basically the same one here. And this one is pretty close to brand new when I bought it. I mean, this one will clean up really nice. It's been inside in the building, so that's a junk and pull out treasure hunting today. Going to pick up something tomorrow, not the same place, well, planning on it anyway. Got to make room in the garage and get this inside. Get that other drawer open up there. I had it open, but I had to pull the bottom drawer out, and you got to pull these little pins, so I can't do it with one hand, but can't remember what was in there. There's quite a few wrenches. So I thought I'd do a video and show and tell. Oh, I got some other stuff I forgot about. So I stole the carburetor off of that welder over there. And put it on this one right here. This runs. I haven't run it much. I just barely got it running, backed it up, and used it to unload that. So it's working, it's usable. But what else did I get here? I did mount a tire, only because I had to. And the carburetor I used, I got 3 of them. Let's slide this in again. I got to take this off anyway. I got 2 magnetos. If anybody needs any of these magnetos, these people got about 200 of them, and they'd like to sell it all as a bulk unit probably. And a bunch of carburetors. And that's the gear that I broke on the one over here. So I got 2 engines that I can use these magnetos on, and I actually need 2 carburetors, so I should be able to make 2 out of that. And there is a bunch more parts if I need to go back. So now I got that motor on that other welder out back. I should be able to get that going. Get this one going. The last one of these I sold, I think I got about $1,000 out of it, so there's pretty good money in them. You just got to find a person looking to it for them. The last one was a Dodge. So this is a Junkin' Fool over here in Porterville. It's hot out. I got to go get a glass of tea. It's been a long day. Thanks for stopping by. Hope everybody had a good day. Goodbye now.